Hi everyone, this is Nina. Now we are in the assembly workshop of the shelf pusher products in GLD Display Company. GLD is the original manufacturers of pusher glide and roller pushers for battery juice in the whole market. Now you can see our workers, they are doing their assembly works for our battery pushers like this, the pusher glide with the white colors, and this one is 60 white, and also this is the roller pushers with the rollers on the line, and this is the black color. And these two colors are the most hot selling products in the market, and we also have one is the 53 white slice. Except battery pushers, we're also producing some other products like the cigarette pusher and the pushers for the food cosmetics and vertical vendor pop-up pushers and other customized pushers. From the engineering, tuning to the injection and assembly, package and test, we have a very strict QC management policies for our products. Now you can see our QC dressed in the yellow dress. She is through the QA procedure for our products to make sure every single piece product fits to our customers in good quality. So if you work with the GLD company, we can assure you a very good quality and customized service. Now you can see we have many goods ready here for assembly because we keep stocks for some urgent orders or the orders that you need it very quickly especially in the peak season of your business, because there are more and more requirements for these battery pushers. So you can see this is the pusher glide, and this is the dividers and other accessories here. They are all ready for assembling here. So please don't worry about the lead time. You got GLD, you got the money in your pockets. Thank you.